Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet to Hahm. First, make sure your Trust Wallet application is fully updated on your mobile device. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Hahm platform website. Once the Hahm site loads, look for a prominent button or link labeled Connect Wallet or similar, usually found in the top right corner. This is your starting point for the connection process. After clicking Connect Wallet on the Hahm platform, a pop-up or new page will appear, presenting various wallet choices. Select Trust Wallet from this list. Your Trust Wallet app will then automatically open, prompting you to approve the connection request. Carefully review the details, ensuring you are connecting to the correct Hahm platform, and then tap Connect or Approve within Trust Wallet. This authorizes the link. Once you've approved the connection in Trust Wallet, return to the Hahm platform. You should now see your Trust Wallet address displayed, often in the top right corner where the Connect Wallet button previously was. Navigate to your Hahm dashboard or profile section to confirm the connected wallet status. Also, take a moment to ensure that any relevant funds or assets from your Trust Wallet are accurately reflected within the Hahm interface, indicating a successful connection. If you encounter any issues, first try clearing your web browser's cache and cookies, then attempt the connection again. A stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth process. Sometimes, simply restarting both your browser and Trust Wallet can resolve minor glitches. Remember to always double-check the Hahm website URL to avoid phishing scams. For more helpful tips and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for the link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.